Are you broke right now? Are you not where you want to be in life? Well, that was me until I discovered this. I used to work in a call center making $10 an hour. This the car I used to drive. That car next to me. Yeah, you see it? It was beat up. I didn't have no money to fix it up, so it had to stay like that. This is one of those cars you used to pray so that you get another 12 months out of the deal, right? But 12 months come, and guess what? Your life ain't getting no better, and you still broke. So this was my situation. And if I saved up $477, well, my car would break down and cost $475, leaving me with $2. So that was just my situation at that time. So I knew I had to do something different. I discovered wholesaling houses, and that was a game changer. But in 2025, there's still a shortage of housing. That's right, there's still a shortage of housing. So being that there's still a shortage of housing, you should start going after land, wholesale land. So what does that mean? Let's say there's a vacant lot on your street, right? And you call up the owner and say, hey, are you open to sell this thing? And they like, yeah, just give me $15,000. I'm done with it, man. I don't want to pay the taxes. It's not making me any money. So then you'll get it under contract, right? For $15,000. And then you'll call up a cash buyer or a builder and sell it for $25,000, right? Making yourself $10,000. All right. What will happen is you get it under contract with the seller, and then you get an assignment of contract with the cash buyer. Cash buyer wires in $25,000, and then at that particular point, seller gets $15,000, you gets 10, builder gets the lot. Everybody's happy. It sounds simple, but it's not easy. I'm just being real with you. There is work involved in it. As long as you're willing to work, you can change your situation. All right. This is not a get rich quick channel. This is a get rich for sure channel if you're willing to do the work. So check this out of us deep diving into actually doing the legwork of finding these sellers. All right, so boom, I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. This tool I'm using is called PropStream. You can get a 7-day free trial at durudata.com. Durudata.com. I'm gonna go to Charlotte, North Carolina, because that's where I am at. So Charlotte, North Carolina has 339 pre-foreclosures, 429 bank owned properties, 52,000 cash buyers, which is great, 411 liens, 3,400 vacant houses, over 100,000 high equity homes. That's excellent, right? But remember, we're not going after houses like our competition. We're going after land. So what I'm going to do is I am going to hit this filter. I'm going to go to quick list. I'm going to go to vacant land. All right, so now that my vacant land list is ready, I got 2,100 lots in Charlotte, right, of just vacant land. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download that. I'm going to hit CLT vacant land list. I'm gonna hit save. You know, this goes against my 10,000 a month downloading count. So therefore, for this example, I'm not gonna save it, but you get the point, right? And then I am going to go to my properties. All right, so I go to my properties, and all my lists, my marketing lists, I saved are right under there, and I can export that list. Once I export that list, I am going to go to Big Skip Tracing. I'm going to get their phone numbers, right? And then I'm going to start calling and texting people, see if they're open to selling their land. Majority of the time, you ain't even gotta look at this stuff. You're just making offers to sellers. They are, see if they're open to it. You send them over a contract, you make it happen, right? So simple as that. Now I know what you're saying, but what about the cash buyers? That's so easy, right? So let's say that I go click on this property right here. I go to comparable and nearby listings, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit cash buyers, right? And I'm going to download this list, right, and export it and call up these people saying, hey, listen, I got some land over here, are you open to buying? Because right now in most of your major cities, the people who buy houses or was flipping houses are not building houses as well, because that's just where the money shifted. And what you're going to do is going to get in where you fit in and start buying up property here, okay, by wholesaling land. That's what you're going to do. If you want all your paperwork, your scripts on what to say to sellers, etc., I got a 8-week program for you. You can stay in it as long as you want. You can stay in it for a year. It's a cancel at any time. There is a monthly fee associated with it. I'm going to put that in the pinned comment. If you want to know more about utilizing this tool and all the power that prop stream can do by going to dududata.com, make sure you check that out, man, and click on the video next to me. I'm Nasa, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Peace.